Hi, my name is Wayne Myers. I'm the compounding pharmacist here at Norland Avenue Pharmacy. I wanted to show you how we dispense creams in what's called an EMP jar, an electric mortar and pestle jar. And oftentimes, might be a different size than this, but topical creams, things that we might be doing for psoriasis or any skin irritation, we might deliver in something like this. We could do some hormones too if we're using an exact amount. But a cream is going to be inside of this typically, and we're going to have in here the cream. We're usually going to have that pushed up the whole way. You can take the whole lid off, or with the cap on, you can just take off this inner cap, and again, you can push this up from the bottom and just kind of pushes that out. A lot of times we recommend it might be a gram or half a gram, which about a pea-sized amount's a gram. You're gonna scoop that out and apply it to the affected area and rub that in thoroughly. So that's the basics of an EMP jar. The creams might also be in a tube, what you would kind of expect. And if it gives it something pre-measured, we might put it in a syringe or an MD pump or a Topic Click, so that we've explained in other videos as well. As always, if we can be of assistance to you, give us a call, 717-217-6790, and it'd be our delight to serve you.